Hi there, students. Reprobate. Okay, reprobate can be a noun talking about a person. It could be an adjective, and it could be a verb as well, even. This word is quite interesting because reprobate is a formal word. But this is a word that you hear very often in British English, informally, in a humorous way. So, a reprobate's a person of bad character, a person of bad habits. So, I see you're drunk again, you old reprobate. Yeah, and in this usage, you can use this informally anywhere in an informal conversation. You call your friend a reprobate, somebody you like, somebody you know well, and in that setting, you can use a reprobate. Yeah, he's such a reprobate, my friend is. Yeah, he's always doing bad things. He's got so many bad habits, and you can use it like that. However, all of the other meanings of or uses of reprobate are very formal. Let's see. So his reprobate behaviour appalled the people. His bad behaviour, the way he behaved. The way he behaved at the party was most reprobate. Gosh, that sounds posh. And then you can even use it as a verb to reprobate somebody, to reprimand somebody for doing something, to criticize, to condemn. So the policeman reprobated me for riding my bicycle without a light. Yeah, to denounce, to be angry with someone. Notice as well, also, an even more old-fashioned meaning of reprobate is somebody who's a sinner, who is predestined to damnation. Yeah, somebody who's definitely going to hell. But that is even more formal and very old-fashioned as well. So, a reprobate, an unprincipled person. Oh, you old reprobate. Yeah, what were you up to last night, you old reprobate? This is a great word for a pub, but in that sole context. Yeah, a rogue, a rascal, a scoundrel, a villain, a good-for-nothing, a wretch. Yeah? But then if you use reprobate, it means reprobate behaviour, bad behaviour. Yeah. Okay. So somebody that behaves very badly. Okay. His reprobate activities make him most unsuitable for this job. Yeah, he's a depraved, wicked person beyond hope of salvation. Yeah, so as an adjective, unprincipled, depraved, degenerate. Yeah, damned or corrupt. Yeah, a gang of reprobate Hell's Angels. Well, incorrigible. Yeah, something like that. Okay, so reprobate as a noun and as an adjective, very formal. And the teacher reprobated me for failing to do my homework. Incredibly formal as well. So let me get into the formality properly. A reprobate, 3 in formality, call your friend a reprobate, use it down the pub. Otherwise, I would give it a 7.5 in formality. Only suitable for a very formal conversation. You might use it I think you could use it in a semi-formal writing or a formal writing. Okay, so you've got to be careful where you use it. You can use it humorously, but informally. Yeah, he's such an old reprobate, my friend. And then as to origin, well, it comes from Latin, from reprobatus, meaning condemned, disapproved, or rejected, which comes from reprobare, probare, to approve of. So I guess not approved of, yeah, within approved of, or something like that. Okay, so I don't know, the reprobate criminal made some very rude gestures at the judge. Yeah, the judge reprobated him for his reprobate gestures. It sounds pretty formal in that context. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Reprobate.